This is a super easy Enderman XP farm in Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition that'll give you over 30 levels in just 1 minute of using it. It's a lot simpler than other designs while still giving the exact same rates, so here's everything that you'll need to build it, and if you want to download this world, you can find a link to that down in the description. After you've of course gone to the end and killed the Ender Dragon, go to any side of the island, doesn't matter which one, and place a bucket of lava right on the edge. Wait for it to flow all the way down to the very bottom and then place a bucket of water beside that. This will create a nice cobblestone platform going all the way down to Y level 1 because that's where we have to build this farm. Now, once you're done with that, hop all the way down here to the bottom and taking your leaves, make sure you use leaf blocks, otherwise Endermen are going to spawn. Place one on the very bottom block there. And then you can keep this water if you want, but since I don't like it, I'm going to take a bunch of ladders and place them going all the way back up to the top. From here, build 2 stacks or 128 leaves away from the end island, so no Enderman all the way over there slow down the race of our farm. And once you get over here, build a nice 6x6 platform, again out of leaves. From here, we're going to make the chest collection system, which is very easy. All you need to do is count in 1, 2, and break those third blocks, and then come around to the back and break all of these. And place 4 hoppers all leading into those chests, and then place 4 carpet on top of the hoppers to make sure no XP gets stuck in there. Now, taking any type of block that you want, although I'm going to use leaves because they're the easiest to get, place 6 blocks around the drop chamber like that, and then 6 more behind it right there. And then place 2 slabs on the front at the very top right there, and this is where we're going to be killing the Enderman. We're now going to build the drop chamber for this farm so the Endermen fall all the way down and they only take 1 hit to kill. So for this, build up by 2 blocks, and on this third block here, make a ring right over top of that drop chamber, and then continue that 12 times. So you should have 12 rings total. Then finally build 1 more layer at the very top out of any solid block. Make sure this is solid. And once you're done with that, you should see that you're at Y level 42. Then using that same solid block, build out 8 blocks in every direction and then fill that entire thing in so you have 1 large 20 by 20 square. So now that we've got this platform with Enderman spawning, take your trapdoors and on any side of this, place 2 there. Go to the other side and place 2 down and then open all of them up. And this will trick the Enderman into thinking this is a full block and then running down our drop chamber. However, we need to find a way to actually attract them towards the middle. So for this, using any type of temporary block, over the middle, build up 3 blocks, place down an iron bar, and then 2 more blocks on top of that, and then make a nice 2 tall box around the entire thing. Then over top of the block where there is the iron bar, go to the other block and place down a rail. Then over back here, break that block, and then place 2 blocks like that, and this will make sense in just a second. So what you want to do is take an ender pearl and throw it down on this block until an endermite spawns. Then once he does, place a name tag on him and then put down the minecart right there, and eventually the endermite will go inside of this minecart. There you go. Push it over top of the block where there isn't the rail, and then you can break that and he'll fall right on top of that bar, and then you can break all of these temporary blocks. Now, as you can see, a ton of Endermen are spawning up here and falling down that drop chamber, all the way down to here where they only take 1 hit to kill. You collect all of the XP, and then of course, all the drops go down inside of this chest. If you enjoyed that video, make sure to check out one of these tutorials on your screen right now for even more great farms. Leave a like and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Blaze Dempsey out.